Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix add music option not showing in Instagram posts. So for this one right here, I have some few methods, so please stay tuned. The first one is of course opening up Instagram right here and basically converting our account to a professional account. To do that one, make sure you're gonna be under your profile. Click on the three lines on the upper section right there, and basically go all the way down until you look for account tools and account type, this one right here. So you want to convert to a professional account. Click next right there and look for the one that says video creator. Let me just type in right here. I'm gonna go video creator right there. Give me a second. Or basically music video. This one right here. And basically switch to professional account. Once that's done and you're good to go for this one, alright, give me something here. Give me a second. And basically for this one, I think this should be good to go. Perfect. So I've successfully changed to a professional account. That's going to be step one, and check if your music is going to be back up on your Instagram posts. Going back on the three lines right there. Now I want to check on my account because I want to make sure this is going to be public. Account privacy should be in public, and if this doesn't fix your problem, I still have some few steps for you. Opening up your App Store, or if you're using your Google Play Store, just opening it up, and we're going to check if we have the latest version of Instagram. This is going to be very, very important. As you can see right here, I have a update version. So please update this on your end if you also see update version right there. Now, once that problem is still persisting after everything we have done, just go back on Instagram right here. All the way down right there, look for the one that says Help Center. Click this one right here. So basically, we're going to report the problem on what's happening here. Tell them what's going on, and I'm pretty sure they will give you a fix because sometimes it's just going to be a bug in their system. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.